Hello, friends. Welcome back to Clear Speak Academy. In today's English lesson, we will explore the story of Mia. You will learn useful vocabulary, commonly used in daily life. It's also a fantastic opportunity to practice and improve your English speaking and listening skills. Listen carefully.
Mia sat by the window watching the rain. The sky was gray and the streets were wet. She sighed. I wish the sun would come out, she thought. Mia had just moved to a new town. Everything felt different. She missed her old home. She missed her friends. She missed the park where she used to play. Her mother walked into the room. Mia, why don't you help me unpack? She asked with a smile. Mia didn't feel like unpacking. She wanted to go back to her old house. But she nodded and followed her mother. As she opened a box, she found her favorite teddy bear. She hugged it tight. It made her feel a little better. Change is hard, her mother said. But sometimes new places bring new adventures. Mia wasn't sure about that. She didn't want new adventures. She just wanted things to be the same. The next morning the sun was shining. Mia's mother said, "Let's go for a walk and explore." Mia didn't feel excited, but she agreed. They walked down the street. The houses looked different from their old neighborhood. Some had bright red doors. Others had small gardens with flowers. They passed a bakery. The smell of fresh bread filled the air. Mia's mother bought 2 warm rolls. They sat on a bench and ate together. This is really good, Mia said, smiling a little. A girl about Mia's age walked by with her dog. The dog wagged its tail and sniffed Mia's feet. Hi. His name is Max, the girl said. Mia smiled. I love dogs. I'm Lily, the girl said. Do you live here? Yes, we just moved, Mia said. Great. Do you want to play at the park later? Lily asked. Mia hesitated. She still missed her old home. But Lily seemed nice. And the park sounded fun. "'Kay," Mia said. That afternoon, Mia met Lily at the park. There were swings, a slide, and a big tree with a rope swing. Mia climbed the rope swing and laughed as she swung back and forth. Maybe this place wasn't so bad after all. Mia woke up feeling different. Yesterday had been a good day. She had met Lily, played at the park, and laughed for the first time in a while. Maybe this town wasn't so bad. She got out of bed and looked outside. The sun was shining. Birds were singing. Felt like a good day. Her mother walked into the room. Good morning, Mia. How do you feel today? Mia smiled. Better. That's great. Do you want to help me bake some cookies? Her mother asked. Mia loved cookies. Yes, she said excitedly. They went to the kitchen. Mia mixed the flour, sugar, and butter while her mother stirred the chocolate chips into the dough. The kitchen smelled sweet and warm. As they placed the cookies in the oven, the doorbell rang. Mia ran to open it. It was Lily. Hi, Mia. My mom said I could invite you to my house today. Do you want to come? Mia looked at her mother. Go ahead, sweetie. The cookies will be ready when you get back, her mother said. Mia nodded. Okay. Let me get my shoes. Lily's house was just a few blocks away. It was small but cozy, with a big garden full of flowers. There was a swing tied to a tree, and a small wooden doghouse for Max. My grandpa built that for Max, Lily said proudly. Come inside. Inside, Lily's mother was knitting a colorful scarf. Welcome, Mia, she said warmly. Lily led Mia to her room. It had bright yellow walls and shelves full of books and toys. Do you like reading? Lily asked. Sometimes, Mia said. Lily pulled out a book. This one is my favorite. It's about a girl who finds happiness in small things. Mia smiled. That sounds nice. They spent the afternoon reading, playing, and talking. For the first time, Mia didn't think about her old home. When it was time to leave, Lily's mother gave Mia a small flower from their garden. This is for you. A little gift to welcome you to the neighborhood. Mia held the flower carefully. It was a simple thing, but it made her happy. When she got home, the warm smell of cookies filled the house. Her mother had left some on a plate for her. How was your day? Her mother asked. Mia smiled. It was really good. She realized something. Happiness wasn't just in big things. It was in small things too, like a new friend, a good book, a kind gift, or the smell of fresh cookies. Maybe this new town was going to be okay. A few weeks had passed since Mia moved to the new town. At first, she had been sad and missed her old home. But now things felt different. She had a new friend, Lily. She had fun at the park. She was learning to enjoy small things like warm cookies and the smell of flowers. One morning, Mia woke up to the sound of rain. She looked outside. The sky was gray, and raindrops hit the window. Her smile faded. I don't like rainy days, she thought. I can't go to the park. Can't play outside. Today is going to be boring. She sighed and pulled the blanket over her head. Her mother knocked on the door. Mia, are you awake? Yes, Mia mumbled. Her mother sat on the bed. What's wrong? It's raining. I wanted to play outside with Lily today, Mia said. Her mother smiled. Rainy days can be fun too. It's all about how you see them. Mia frowned. How can they be fun? Let's find out, her mother said. Come to the kitchen. Mia followed her mother. On the table there was a big puzzle. I found this in one of the moving boxes, her mother said. It has 500 pieces. Want to help me put it together? Mia shrugged. Okay. First it seemed hard. But soon Mia started enjoying it. She found pieces that fit together. She felt happy when she completed a part of the picture. As they worked, the smell of pancakes filled the air. Her mother had made her favorite breakfast. Mia took a bite. Yum. Her mother smiled. See. Rainy days can be nice. Later Mia got a call from Lily. Hey, since we can't go to the park, do you want to come to my house and watch a movie? Lily asked. Mia's face lit up. Yes. When Mia arrived, Lily had a blanket and popcorn ready. They watched a funny movie and laughed together. By the time Mia got home, the rain had stopped. The sky was turning orange and pink. She stood by the window and smiled. Maybe rainy days weren't so bad after all. Her mother walked over. Did you have a good day? Mia nodded. Yes. I thought the rain would ruin my day, but it didn't. I had fun. Her mother hugged her. That's because you chose to be happy. Mia thought about that. It was true. Before, she had let small things make her sad. But now she realized she had a choice. Even when things didn't go as planned, she could still find joy. She could still be happy. As she got ready for bed, she felt warm inside. She had learned something important. Happiness wasn't just about big things. It wasn't about sunny days or perfect moments. Happiness was a choice. And she was going to choose it every day.